Comprehensive coverage. What is it? Is it something that I need to have on my auto policy? Well, those are some things we're going to discuss today. So first off, book definition of comprehensive coverage. It's an optional coverage that protects against damage to your vehicle caused by non-collision events that are outside of your control. So most common, you hit an animal, most typically a deer or a turkey, rocket your windshield. Some other ones that you'll see are vandalism, fire, other acts of weather like hail. It is something that when we say non-collision, we'll get into collision in a separate video, but non-collision, some people will say it's acts of God. Do you have to have it? So if you have a loan on your vehicle, the bank will require that you have that along with collision coverage. But outside of that, if you want to make sure your car is taken care of due to any one of those types of incidents, we do recommend you have that comprehensive coverage. So if you've got further questions on comp, feel free to reach out to our office and we'll see how we can help. Thanks.